Back screen from KQ. Oh!
Very smart. After losing his balance, he still managed to pass that. 91-86 lamang na po yung Lasal.
Itong si Ostre, parang relax lang yung maglaro, no?
He knows how to play.
Oh.
He's a physical guy. Talagang he loves physicality. If you watch the UAP or any other games that na meron yung Lasal, always Austria.
Kaya nga. Gustong-gusto ko yung player na to.
Yeah.
He also plays mind games, no? Sa match-up niya.
Baka mamaya lalapitan ko Cross yan. Anong i-offer?
Hanapan natin ng paraan.
Pero syempre Lasal, they're ready there. Trade in Gamboa.
Pwede. Package natin Shimikawa tsaka Gamboa.
Yes. Nakarelate lang. Back to the ball game. 93-86 po, nating score po natin ngayon.
2-1 press for De La Salle. We have 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. De La Salle now on top.
Yes.
7 points.
But there's a blocking foul in that possession.
Kita mo, he walked away, tinapon yung bola. Napatingin yung referee.
16, CJ Austria's third personal foul. That's the third team foul.
Like to recognize the presence and the arrival of our Senator.
Yes.
Senator
Bongo.
Yes. Maayong gabi kanimo, sir.
Yes. Ang author of Malasakit Center.
Kasama niya po. Kamukha mo.
Sino yan?
Philip Salvador.
Ako.
Ibang klase.
Philip Salvador,
Oo.
Kasama niya on the
Shot clock 14 seconds.
watching on the stand. Eto, Phoenix Philmasters. Kentoy.
Muntik na maagaw.
Loose ball foul. Another trip to the free throws.
Austria applauding. Smiling.
Jersey number 13. RJ Hasul, second personal foul.
Pag napipikon kay Austria.
He's taller than RJ Azul.
Yes.
And he's bigger
as well. Really smart guy, no?
Yep, that's right.
Galing maglaro nitong batang to.
We have Sean Maganti. He is about to check in. And a free throw for, I don't know if...
For Austria.
Austria, yeah.
2 free throws for CJ Austria.
Dalawang impact yun, no? From Pakalalag at saka Austria.
Mintis lang yung free throw niya.
And no doubt that this guy, I'm pretty sure, will not be surprised if one day he will be playing in a bigger league, in a pro league.
Yes,
of
for
the
sure.
Philippines.
Sigurado yung coach. With his talent, with his smarts, kumbaga.
Yeah, that's my opinion. Syempre. We don't know. Praying for his good health. And,
Yes.
hindi natin alam, baka gustong mag-pilot or mag-doctor. Di ba?
Tama.
Ito,
Huwag natin pilitin.
ayan, Rafi Virano kicks it out to Sean Maganti. Not this time. Oh, that's a good patience coming from the Phoenix Philmasters. Ito, JC Makalalag using that horns play.
Wow! Open na siya.
Yeah, but that's a penalty though. So, kahit pa pinasa niya,
Sean Maganti.
still a free
That's
throw.
the second personal foul of Sean.
Grabe, lalaki ng ng
2 free throws for JC Bakalala.
the help sides na meron itong mga players habang nagda-drive. It's really challenging to create a easy basket. Sometimes yun yung mga something to learn para sa atin dito mga Dabawenyo, Coach?
Kaya nga. So much to learn, Coach Rocky.
Lasal is really taking advantage
Oo.
of the foul trouble na meron itong Phoenix Fuel Masters.
Tama
Sa
ka.
atin yun, kahit naka-foul trouble, minsan yung ibang players long range 3 points pa rin.
But Tyler Teo checks back
checks.
in, no?
Ito na, pagbabalik.
Nag-react agad yung mga tao.
Magandang matchup yan ulit mamaya sila ni CJ Austria. Eto, here comes Sean Maganti. CJ
Yan na
Austria
naman, no?
steals the ball. Ayan.
Umila pa. Wow! KQ! Woo! Powerful putback from KQ.
Sky high. The LaSalle guys are enjoying it.
Nakangiti lang to si Austria. Tawa-tawa lang.
Holding foul jersey number 6.
Chill.
Let's
sabi
take a look
nila.
at this. Let's take a look at this. The Arcadia
Tumila pa,
Lifestyle Center.
That's the
Jordan yan, Jordan Tang.
of the Green
Oh.
Archers.
Parang sinadya yung coach.
Hindi baka coach breather yon, breather.
Oo.
Jason Perkins. Eto na.
Putback.
Nakailan na itong si Jay McKennis.
For sure, double-double na yung coach.
Grabe naman sa offensive rebound yan, ano? KQ kontra Jason Perkins.
It's a good matchup.
Kiambao. Here comes Austria. 3.
Wow! CJ Austria really having fun.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Turning on
Ito yung
the
mga
switch, no?
Tyler Teo. Tyler Teo for 3.
Yes,
sir.
So, maganda to.
Ito, magandang laban to.
2:50 remaining.
Yep, definitely.
Tingnan natin.
Here comes CJ Austria once again.
They're looking for that switch.
Using his body. But here comes Makalalag. Second chance points.
Hindi pumasok. 2:30 remaining. 10-point lead for De La Salle.
Yeah, Rafi Virano using his strength. And he got a foul there. And he will be going to the line shooting 2. Now ito, babalik na si Guliena at saka si Michael Phillips.
Naku.
You know, a good
Free throws for Rafi Virano.
Ito, a good drive there from Rafi Virano. You know, a product of the Ateneo Blue Eagles, no? Under Coach Tab Baldwin. Galing tong player na to. Very smart
Substitution.
in the 4 position.
Raven Cortez.
Yan, yung 3-point shot ni Tyler Teo. Pangbawi doon.
Both teams now are in penalty situation with
Yes.
2 minutes and 23 seconds. Verano sinks the second basket. Free throw.
Yes. Now 101-93 in the last 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
8-point lead for De La Salle. That's 10 seconds to shoot. KQ
A good hustle play.
for 3.
Cambao.
No. Uh-oh. I think Phillips is hurt.
Yep, he's hurt.
Knee injury? Well,
Nope, I think it's
Cramps?
cramming. So, I hope he's okay. Raven Cortez will be checking in
Official timeout. Substitution.
para kay Michael Phillips. Kita mo yun, no? Talagang sinusuntok niya na lang yung kanyang He's hurt. No, with the absence of Coach Topics Robinson, yun yung sinasabi mo kanina, it's either they're going to use that as a motivation, to get back to that momentum, or they're going to lose their.
or roll over and die, no?
That's
Yeah.
right.
But,
Eventually, they use that as a motivation,
as a
Coach-
spark.
That's correct. Coach Topics Robinson earlier is questioning, why is it's not a foul, or why not you calling that kind of violation?
Yeah, sometimes it's a strategy for coaches to do that.
Yeah.
I mean, kampante naman tong si Coach Topics.
Kaya pala ginagawa mo yan minsan, Coach. dyan, no?
Coach, mabait ako, hindi ako nagre-reklamo sa...
Pag tanong dyan, coach, kung mawala ka sa team mo kasi isa ka lang, coach, sa college.
Yun nga lang.
Kung mawala, sinong papalit? Si
Si brother.
Si brother. Kaya shoutout pala sa team,
Opo.
sa owner ng Holy Cross, sa
President.
ng Holy Cross, no? Si brother
Noel Vic Delore.
Noel Vic. Yan, ball. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Shoutout po sa lahat ng mga viewers natin. Kapit po tayo and let's have fun watching and enjoy lang po tayo sa basketball tournament ng Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament. Yan. JC Makalalag kicks out.
KQ for 3.
Yep.
No.
Misses again. But there's a foul. Yeah, it's so crystal clear. May hawak doon.
Jersey number
But they are in penalty already. Both teams actually.
Personal foul of EJ Goliana.
Yep, that's correct. 1 minute and 44. Ito, free throws para kay Sean Maganti. Yan, shoutout natin. Once again, si Senator Bongos with us right now. Si Sir Glenn Escandor. Si Sir Philip Salvador. And of course, the tournament director, Coach Miggy Solitaria. Coach, shoutout sa'yo lagi. Salute kami sa'yo. Coach Pong Escobal was with us. No? And syempre, si Coach Ronel Loterio. No?
Andyan din siya, no? Sir Willie Torres.
Yes, Willie Torres, no? The University of Mindanao owner. Of course, shoutout ko na din si Coach Cholo Ilihino. Ayan, kasama ko ngayon. We're having fun broadcasting what is happening here. So it's a battle of free throws right now, Coach, no?
Oo.
2 free throws for JC Makalalag.
And JC Makalalag na naman on the free throw. Yan. Nanonood sa atin ngayon, no? Si Dan James, si DJ Gamboa, one of the cute boys ng Davao.
Kamukha niya ba to?
Yes. Yan. Shoutout ko na rin din si yung mga fans natin all the way from Brunei, America. Yan, nanonood sa atin sa live, no?
Worldwide.
Happy viewing po sa inyo. Worldwide po tayo. Nasa Davao lang po tayo ngayon. Ito, here comes Jason Perkins. He drives physically and one.
Continuation. Basket is good for Jason.
Also, jersey number 1. Correction is drone.
Ito, nakita natin the physicality. It's like, this is what I've got. 102-97.
That's the 5th personal foul of Earl Abadam. Bonus free throw for Jason
Phoenix not giving up, no?
Yep, of course.
1:30 remaining. Malayo pa. Down to a 4-point lead. Pressure for Phoenix. You have Tyler Teo defending Makalalag.
Yan, JC Makalalag. They handing it over. Abadam, 3. Not
Kanina
this
pa yung
time.
zoom nila, no?
They've been doing that all over and over again, but
Uh-huh.
they've been executing it very well. Here comes Jason Perkins using his veteran move.
Wow!
Yan na. Ayan, napa-timeout na.
Once upon a time, a green archer, right?
It's an exciting game. 59 seconds remaining in this fourth quarter ball of action. Yan, alam ko that the people are already entertained and they just want to be more entertained this time. 102-100.
Yes, this could go either way. Itong game na to.
Yes.
Just a one-possession ball game with 15 seconds on the shot clock. There's this Iverson cut, no?
Yep.
Na ginawa ng De La Salle. Of course, from Mabadam.
Makalala.
Ooh! Agaw!
And here,
38 seconds.
yes, Tyler Teo this time. Perkins.
Use
strength.
no good. Clean up job.
Oh!
Slamma jamma.
Hey! Woo! Yun yung mga gusto ng mga tao dito.
Yes.
Sigawan. 102 at peace.
20 seconds remaining.
Definitely.
Kapit po. Tabla po tayo.
Yes. Here comes CJ Austria kontra
5 seconds to shoot,
Jason
coach.
Perkins.
Uh-oh. Blocking foul. Wow. With point
Yes. I
in
know.
the shot clock.
I know.
Yes. Coach John
Yes.
of Phoenix and Coach Jamaic asking for a review, a replay,
Yep, definitely.
challenging that call. Sabi nila out of bounds na yung coach.
That is right. Now they like to challenge that, and let's see what are they going to do for our officiating officials. They're reviewing it now.
Has been made.
That's a huge call.
Field Masters.
Kasi tabla po tayo.
Yep.
And that foul, penalty, no?
So the challenge has been made. Let's take a look at that. Oh, I think this is the attack from Jason Perkins.
The challenge that was made was unsuccessful.
Oh, unsuccessful challenge.
Yep, I think the unsuccessful challenge. So it means that CG Austria will be tripping to the line once again for 2.
Wow.
What a
Another carjack ball game. The third day, lahat ng ball games natin, dikit. And as you can see, Coach Topex in the sidelines, nakatayo. Ayun o.
Yes. Nakatayo at
Yeah.
nakapatong pa.
Nakapatong, of course. Walayo naman dyan sa bench, no? But, yeah.
But this 4 seconds is not, it's not an end game yet.
Eternity of basketball, as they say, no?
Daming pwede mangyari
Jason
dyan.
Perkins fouled out with
Oh.
6 personal fouls.
That's crucial.
It is. That's tough.
Well,
JV Bukan for Jason
Now
Perkins.
JV Mokan is checking in for Jason Perkins.
2 free throws for
that's a
CJ.
big blow for Phoenix. CJ Austria on the stripe for 2. Tabla po tayo.
CJ, he made it. Tumatawa na naman. Yung mga tawang ganyan talaga. Oh. Minsan
Grabe, no?
nakakasar.
Oh,
But, that's how he plays.
Yes.
Let's respect that. And that's a kind of basketball that he likes.
second throw. Tinilaan po. Ibang klase itong batang to. Saludo ko sa iyo, boy.
At nakapa-timeouting of Phoenix Fuel Masters 104 to 102.
102.
4 seconds, 4.7 seconds remaining. What do you think, ano kayang gagawin ni Coach Jamaic dito? Ano, Coach? Are they going for 3? Or they're going for, a quick 2 in this ball game?
Well, I think they would go for a quick 2 here with Jay McInnes. I think, no? Baka may high-low play ito or may cross-screen for Jay. Anyway, we have plenty of time naman, no? We need to pull this shot off for Phoenix, but
GMI Packaging Export.
Yes.
they can also go big, coach. I mean, wala na si Perkins eh. Maybe they'll go for a win, but who knows, no? But if the opportunity would present that there's a wide open 3 for them, then maybe they can go for a 3 in this ball game.
Yes, definitely, So, now, let's invite our fans to watch, no? Bukas din, ganito din yung schedule natin. Alas 5 yung first game. Alas 7 naman sa gabi yung second game. It will be the finals tomorrow. But hindi pa natin alam kung sino maglalaban bukas. Kaya nga hindi natin Abangan po natin yan sa schedule natin sa page sa Madayaw Sports Davao, our official Facebook page ng 39 Kadayawan sa Davao Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Yeah.
104-102. Kapit yan. Dito natin, ano kayong gagawin ng Phoenix Fuel Masters team.
So Coach Jamike drawing the play for Phoenix. Let's see what will happen.
Yes, nanonood din sa akin ng kaibigan ko dyan ng mga coaches, Coach RJ Maneja, si Coach Lawrence Villagonzalo, Coach Joros Costan, yan, ang pumasok sa almost technical. Back to the ball game. 4 seconds remaining po tayo. 4.7 seconds. 104-102.
Here we go. Give and go play. Sabi na, go for 3.
What a big rebound.
LaSalle escapes.
Yep, that's right. Almost a shot by RJ Azul.
We have the winner, De La Salle Green Archers.
Panalo ang De La Salle Green Archers. Dito, end of the game, the UAAP champions.